Well, I was supposed to be out putting millings down today, but as you see, it snowed quite a lot. Like 6 to 8 inches, something like that. But I need to repair my uncle's plow. So hopefully it's inside here already. And we'll get that done. Alright, so cracked along here. Busted the ring out there. Gotta weld that back. This is coming done. That cracked in there. So I gotta do in here, outside, outside. Bend this back, and weld that hole. So let me set this up a little bit better. Just gonna try to grind these welds out first. Probably that one. That one first. It's pretty rough. Okay. That one's in. That one's in. This one had a really big gap, so I had to fill it in a lot. So it kind of looks like garbage, but looks way better than the welds that were on it. That's for sure. There's like 2 tacks. All right, so I got the inside. I'm gonna flip it this way, like that, and then I'm gonna do the outsides now. And then we're gonna bend it back into shape, and then I'll get that little eyelet. right. That was a little bit finicky, and I didn't notice until I was almost done. This little Allen nut was backing off, letting the wire come out of the guide. Took me a couple seconds, but just one of these little guys. If I would have noticed earlier, I wouldn't have been being so finicky with the welder. But I wasn't really paying too much attention. I just wanted to get this done. You could see after that, the wire speed got a lot better. I mean, that still don't look too good, but if you look at the other side, here, let me set you up for a second. Yeah, so that side, there's like no penetration. I had to do like 3 passes on it. This one's a little better. That one's just 2. Maybe I should redo that side. Yeah. Nah, that's way more than was already there. That should be fine. If it breaks, he'll bring it back and I'll fix it again. It's no big deal. But yeah. Oh, that's right. I gotta fix that little eyelet. Almost forgot. Just bent it back into place with the little hammer. Just but a lot harder, obviously. Let me grind that and then weld that little eyelet. It's all right. Able to get a bolt through it. That one was fine. Gotta bend that back, bend that back. I think we got it lined up pretty good. I put a little bit in the back. This pipe is just burning right through. But I put a little in the back just to connect the back and front welds. Bent it back into shape. Welded this little eyelet. Made sure it's round. So, should be good. If not, it'll be back here. I'll fix it, but I don't think, I mean, if those last welds that were on there held as long as I think it did, these are fine. It's just getting pushed by a little, I think by a lawn tractor. But anyways, there's a little filler video until this clears up. But hopefully I'll be able to get out there tomorrow, but I don't know. I think it's gonna keep snowing this whole week. So we'll see. We got an auction coming up on Thursday too, so I'm gonna do a video on that. We're selling that 308. So I'll show the process of what that's like, which it ain't much. It's drop it off and tell them, hey, yeah, we'll take it. We'll take that sale. But anyways, I gotta go do some other stuff. I'll see you later.